Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about atopic dermatitis. So are you looking for a homeopathic treatment for atopic dermatitis? So basically in this video, we will discuss about what are the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of atopic dermatitis. Let's talk about it. So atopic dermatitis is very efficiently treated with natural homeopathic medicines. They help in managing the acute phase in the beginning and afterward with constitutional natural homeopathic remedies selected on the basis of individual symptoms. There is a promise of eradicating the disease from its root. The homeopathic medicine selection is based upon the totality of the symptoms, including the site and the type of the eruptions, the worsening and the relieving factors, time of itching, sensitivity towards heat and cold, and the peculiar mental symptoms if present in high degree. Homeopathic medicines help in eradicating dermatitis from the root by increasing the patient's immunity to the optimal level so that there are no hypertensive flare-ups. The homeopathic treatment for atopic dermatitis is not instant and does take time, varying from month to year depending upon the severity, duration of the dermatitis, plus the individual response to the homeopathic medicine taken. So let's talk about the natural homeopathic medicines for the atopic dermatitis. So the first and the foremost medicine that you can see here on the screen for atopic dermatitis is Graphitis. So Graphitis is one of the best homeopathic medicine for managing atopic dermatitis. It proves highly effective when there is dry, rough skin. It may have cracks as well, though it can be used for any affected skin area, but it works more prominently on the lesions in the bends of the elbows and the bend of the knees, neck, and behind the ear. Keeping aside dryness, it is equally effective for cases where skin vesicles, that is, fluid-filled bumps, occurs that ooze sticky, gluey discharges. Graphitis also brings good result in eczema on the face, nose, and the chin. Now the second medicine for the atopic dermatitis, that is petroleum. So petroleum is an ideal medicine when the skin get dry and cracked. Bleeding occurs from the cracks. The lesions with time get thickened and covered with a crust. Marked burning and itching also accompany the cracks. The flare of the atopic dermatitis with dry, cracked skin in the winter is highly characteristic to use petroleum. Now the third medicine for the atopic dermatitis is sulfur. Sulfur is a leading medicine most frequently used in treating atopic dermatitis. The main complaint for which it is used is intolerable skin itching. The skin is excessively dry with scales and intolerable itching. In majority of the cases, the itching is at the peak at night or when the person's body gets warm in bed. Scratching is followed by a burning sensation on the skin. Relapse of the dermatitis spring season or in damp weather is also effectively dealt with this medicine. Homeopathic remedy sulfur must always be considered as a first line of the treatment for atopic dermatitis, that is being suppressed by the use of local medications like ointments or any other form of external medications. Now let's talk about the fourth homeopathic medicine for atopic dermatitis, that is Natrum muriaticum. So Natrum muriaticum is beneficial for the rashes, eruptions appearing in the bends of limbs that include grease of the elbow and back of the knee. The eruptions may be dry or ooze out. Warmth and heat worsen the condition for using natrum mur. Additionally, the eruptions occur specifically at the margins of the scalp. The eruptions are dry, with rawness of the skin along with the margins of the scalp. Crusty may appear may also occur after the hairline. Taking salt worsens the condition, so person eating it may also suffer nasal allergy with marked sneezing, running nose, along with dermatitis complaints. Now let's talk about the fifth medicine, that is Rustox. So Rustox is of great help for atopic dermatitis with eruptions covered with thick crust that ooze out. The skin becomes red and excessive itching is there. Fluid-filled vascular bumps appears on the skin. There is marked burning and intense itch is felt. Scratching makes the itching worse and scaling of the skin may also appear. Now the sixth medicine for the atopic dermatitis, that is arsenical. This medicine works well for the cases having dry, rough, scaly eruptions. In most cases, eczema is marked on the face. There occur intense itching and burning in the eruptions. It is worse at night, in most cases requiring it. The affected skin can be oversensitive to touch. Now the seventh medicine for atopic dermatitis, that is Merserium. So for the eruptions that discharge sticky fluid, Merserium is a very essential medicine. For atopic dermatitis in such cases, the fluid is very sticky. It is also indicated when thick scabs forms on the skin with pus under it, indicating infection. At times, blood may ooze out on touching crusty eruptions. The eruptions are attended with a marked itching. It gets worse from bathing with warm water. Now our last medicine, last but not the least, that is eighth one. Gelphemia, Gloica and histamitis with allergy nasal symptoms. Both natural homeopathic medicines, that is Gelphemia, Gloica and histamine, are very beneficial in the treatment of atopic dermatitis where hay fever, allergy rhinitis is associated with it. These natural medicines effectively treat allergy complaints like eczema, hay fever and asthma. So these are the top homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of atopic dermatitis. Let's talk about some lifestyle management for atopic dermatitis. So keep the skin moistened. Keep the skin moisturized. Apply moisturizer to the skin soon after the bath when skin is still wet. Avoid bathing with hot water. Prefer warm water over hot water to take bath. Limit the bathing time to about 10 minutes and use gentle soaps. Try to avoid triggers factors that would flare or worsen your rashes. For example, synthetic clothes, certain soaps, food triggers like cow milk, eggs, etc., dust mite, animal dander, etc. So these are some lifestyle managements for the person who are suffering from atopic dermatitis. So that's all in this video. We have discussed about the homeopathic treatment, homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of atopic dermatitis. So if you are suffering from atopic dermatitis or any skin disorder, you can contact us. You can see here on the screen we have given the contact numbers. Okay. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. And yes, if you have any doubt, you can comment below in the comment box. And stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching this video.